Assalamualaikum. Here is Roshni with CID News Network Islamabad. Today's English headlines. PM Imran to visit Lahore Friday to get briefings on COVID-19 and inflation. Prime Minister Imran Khan will visit Lahore to get briefings on efforts taken against inflation and COVID-19 spread in the province. Russian President Vladimir Putin to visit Pakistan soon. Russian Foreign Minister called on Prime Minister Imran Khan at the Prime Minister's House, Islamabad, here. PIA's IOSA registration renewed. The International Air Transport Association renewed its IATA operational safety audit registration for Pakistan International Airlines. Rupee continues to strengthen against US dollar. The Pakistani rupee strengthened by 15 paisa, 0.10% against the United States dollar in the interbank currency market. Gold rates unchanged in domestic market. Two held for selling fake coronavirus vaccine in KP. The Federal Investigation Agency claimed to have arrested two suspects over selling fake COVID-19 vaccine in the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Woman arrested for killing Harim Fatma over marriage proposal refusal. A woman suspect has been arrested for her alleged role in the murder of the 3-year-old girl Harim Fatma in the Kohat district of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. This is the end of today's news. If you didn't subscribe our channel yet, please subscribe it, like it, share it and comments on it. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook. Take care and stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.